Michelle joining us now with more on the Tuesday forecast and, of course, looking ahead to the holiday as well.
Well, Patrick, we've got a couple of rainy days ahead of us here. We've got one of two systems impacting our area today. The more powerful one is the one for tomorrow. That's going to probably force you to give yourself a little bit of extra travel time for your Christmas Eve travels. It's going to be rain, not just here, but over most of New England as the very mild air comes in with the second part of this disturbance here. But right now we're tracking cold rain in the area, upper 30s to lower 40s for the temperatures. You can see this latest batch of showers making their way across 195 and approaching 295 now. These are lifting up towards the east and northeast, occasionally with some heavier downpours. So going to be a wet ride into work this morning, but we're not expecting any severe weather for today or tonight. Now, I did go up to the moderate category, medium category for tomorrow as we track, again, more potent storm system, one that'll bring some heavy rainfall, some stronger winds, as well as the potential for some minor coastal flooding. As far as the Futurecast for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, probably one of the things that really jumps out in addition to the wet weather, these temperatures near 60 for tomorrow, and the temperatures on Christmas Day, 59. In fact, I think we'll wake up in those upper 50s for temperatures first thing on Christmas morning. For this morning, though, we're waking up to 41 degrees. It's a big difference. 38 is what it feels like with the winds from the north-northeast at about 5 miles an hour. It's a damp morning in Smithfield, 39, Gloucester, 39, Coventry's around 40, Newport's at 42. When we're not dealing with the rain, we'll be dealing with some drizzle and even some patchy fog with temperatures for the drive into work between 40 and 45 and the sunrise at about 10 past 7 this morning. Let's widen out the view. We've got an area of low pressure, a little disturbance here riding up from the south and west of us. This will push into this area of high pressure and sort of fizzle out, but it does bring the wet weather. Notice the blue and the pink over northern New England. This is where the snow is. A little bit of freezing rain over central and western Massachusetts here in the overnight hours and early this morning, but the majority of us going to be dealing with just the rainfall. In fact, temperatures warm up all across New England through the daytime today and stay very mild through the night. So we'll deal with the rain and the temperature staying in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees for even first thing tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow again near 60. Notice the rain falling heavy at times. Santa's going to have to be driving his sleigh through this wet weather this year here in New England. Getting along just fine, I'm sure, by 9 o'clock in the morning on Christmas morning. This is the back edge of the wet weather moving out. So by late morning, things will start to clear out and the rest of the day looking dry. Here's a temperature Futurecast for today. So in the mid 40s, 9 o'clock in the morning, climbing up to the upper 40s to around 50 degrees this afternoon and holding steady upper 40s to around 50 through the overnight hours and into your Wednesday morning. Here's a look at that 7-day Futurecast. We've got temperatures near 50 today and then near 60 for your Wednesday. We're going to pick up between 1 and 2 inches of rain for most. There could be some isolated 3-inch totals with wind gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour and some minor coastal flooding at the Wednesday evening high tide and perhaps the Thursday morning high tide along the south coast. As for your Christmas Day, again, showers in the morning and then drying out as we head through the afternoon. Keeping an eye on early next week, Sunday night into Monday, could be a system offshore that will try